What's up guys, JD Nevels here. The old man just left the shop 5 minutes ago, so unfortunately he won't be joining me in this video. And as you heard, that squeak, that noise, that's horrible. And it actually came from all four doors because this car came from Quebec. And it's really cold and crappy weather over there. So yeah, we were fixing all the rust and everything on it. Anyways, not to make the long story short, as you heard, this stupid thing is making a lot of noises and we need to get rid of it. So if you tried lubing it, putting some oil or grease or anything on it, and it's still making that noise, or even if you tried the WD-40, which we did, and it's crap, don't waste your money. This is what you need to do. You need to buy this, spray it first, and then leave it for a little while, clean up the mess, because this thing is going to eat up the rust. The part that's making noise is this part right here. That's a little ring, and this is the stud or whatever you want to call it right there. And this little ring inside rusts, and the rust is making the squeaking noise which you can't get rid of. So if you just grab a little bit of this, and you can see the rust just going down, you're gonna have to clean that up. Anyways, so right there, and then you want to open the doors, make sure it rotates, the stupid little ring, and then you want to hit it a little bit more, and then just kind of swing the door. You see it's already making a huge impact on that. Look at that, it's not making stupid noise anymore. So I'm gonna leave it for about 10-15 minutes. I already did this side right here, passenger door, and then once you grease it and clean it up, then you wanna, or once you clean the, grease it up, oh my god. Okay, so the passenger side, this door has been sprayed with the rust off thing, and I cleaned it up, and then I used this, the white lithium grease, put it on, and right now, oh, nothing, look, nothing. So I'm gonna do the same thing with the passenger side. And then right here. This is the only side I haven't done. Maybe I did. Nope. Alrighty, so this is the king. Freeze off. Works like a charm. I'm not sponsored by these guys. I'm not getting paid to promote this product, but it works and we love it. We love it. Alright, thanks for watching guys. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't done so, and see you in the next video.